This concert ukulele stands out for its solid mahogany soundboard, which gives it a warm, full tone that feels far more refined than most beginner instruments. The 23-inch concert size offers a comfortable balance of playability and projection, making it easy for both younger players and adults to hold and hear clearly. Build quality is impressive with neatly finished frets, a smooth satin surface that resists smudges, and overall workmanship that feels dependable in daily practice. Out of the box, the included fluorocarbon strings and well-set action make chords easy to fret, so beginners can focus on music rather than sore fingers. The understated design with tasteful rosette detailing and subtle fretboard inlays gives the instrument a classy look that does not feel toy-like. The bundled accessories, including a padded carrying bag, strap, capo, and picks, create a genuinely complete starter setup that lets a new player begin immediately without extra purchases.